Definition of plant-based diet. A plant-based diet refers to a dietary pattern that predominantly includes foods derived from plants such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. People following a plant-based diet typically avoid or minimize the consumption of animal products like meat, dairy, eggs, and honey. The core principle behind a plant-based diet is an emphasis on consuming natural, unprocessed, and nutrient-rich foods, aiming for health benefits and ecological sustainability. Firstly, plant-based diets are renowned for their health benefits. By consuming primarily plant-based foods, individuals can effortlessly meet their nutritional requirements, as plants are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Research has shown that plant-based diets can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Moreover, plant-based diets are often associated with healthy body weight management, since plants tend to be lower in calorie density compared to animal products, resulting in a higher consumption of nutrient-dense foods. Secondly, a plant-based diet is not only beneficial for individual health, but also for the planet. The production of animal-based foods requires vast amounts of resources, including land, water, and energy. Additionally, the livestock sector contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. By reducing the consumption of animal products and opting for plant-based alternatives, individuals can contribute to reducing these environmental impacts and promoting sustainability. Thirdly, a plant-based diet offers vast culinary possibilities. Contrary to popular belief, plant-based eating is not limited to bland and monotonous meals. The wide array of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains provides numerous options for creative and flavorful dishes. Experimenting with different spices, herbs, and cooking techniques can result in delicious and satisfying meals. By embracing a plant-based diet, individuals can discover new flavors and expand their culinary horizons. Fourthly, following a plant-based diet can promote ethical considerations towards animals. Many people choose this dietary pattern to reduce the harm inflicted on animals in the food industry. By refusing to consume animal products, individuals can adopt a lifestyle that respects the welfare of animals and encourages a more compassionate approach. Fifthly, a plant-based diet plays a crucial role in addressing global food security. As the world population continues to grow, finding sustainable ways to feed everyone becomes increasingly important. Plant-based diets require fewer resources, making them more efficient and capable of feeding more people than a diet centered around animal products. By shifting towards more plant-based eating patterns, societies can contribute to ensuring everyone has access to nutritious and fulfilling meals. A good blender for meal prep and preparing your smoothies. Check out the comment section below. In conclusion, a plant-based diet entails consuming primarily plant-derived foods while minimizing animal products. It offers a plethora of health benefits by providing essential nutrients, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and helping maintain a healthy body weight. Moreover, plant-based diets contribute to ecological sustainability, ethical considerations towards animals, and global food security. By embracing a plant-based diet, individuals not only improve their own well-being, but also contribute positively to their environment, animals, and the future of our planet. I hope this information on the definition of plant-based diet was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier lifestyle. And remember, you are what you eat. Thanks for watching.